Hey everybody, it's me, your boy RJ. Update with Saluspa Ibiza. Yeah, and other stuff on the cover when they clean it. Top's gone. We're gonna put a new top on. That's gonna fix it. But over time, I think it's 3 years now. This can happen to you where the air goes in right here when you hit the bubbles. Here, let me show you. There's a one-way valve in here, and that can go bad. And what will happen is you'll start this. See the water? So as to stop that, we bought this. It is AOS NOM, and it is on Amazon. I'll put a link, and if there's a YouTube link for the same thing. So here's what we got. It's one-way valve, so you're gonna stick it in the hole, so it doesn't, water can't go back. The air pushes through. It's going to go in here real quick, and then we got to reseal it. Now this seal is going to be in here. See this? There's like a hole line in it. We're going to help it seal up right. Like this. Spot, but I think it'll fix itself, hopefully. I don't know. What it is for this. When you tighten that on, that it keeps it sealed. Because that won't seal, do you see? It would still leak, possibly. So it goes like this. So. Alright. Mess with it here, and then we're gonna, I guess I could show you when I go do it, but it's gonna start leaking, and I gotta shove the thing in real quick, so I'm trying to get this done before. I don't understand why it's kind of fighting me, but my hand away. A little extra slack, see that? We don't want that. Also, for some other videos on the koozie and you want to know, look, it's still here. Still working. Okay, so we got it in there. Just took a little fighting. So it's gonna be a real quick. Like I said, I gotta shove this in there and then get that to lose some water. Okay. Shove that in. Oh my gosh, that's tight. The water's fighting, so it's making it harder, but okay, that's it. Change angles. Watch out. As you can see, that leak, it stopped immediately. But you gotta get this. Okay, I think that's good enough that when we put this on, like that, when we tighten this, it should stop it completely. We'll see if it works again. I'm sure it will. So, you gotta push it all the way in. So, I'll try using the weight of this maybe. This is not reaching the threads. All that stuff in the way. All you gotta do is get just enough that you can. Uh-oh. I'm not going wrong. So, I'll put them in the wrong spot. Okay. As soon as you grab that front tooth. You have to wrestle it a lot to get it tight enough that you can get this thread to catch. And then you go in. You're not going to go all the way down now because there's a part in the way. Okay? So, we have it connected.
It's not leaking.
It's not leaking. But we don't know if it's leaking inside. It wasn't leaking, but there's an inside leaking in the pump. That's how we found it. Remember?
It was leaking out of here.
It was leaking inside here.
Oh.
The pump. Do you not remember? Okay, look this up. Okay. Let me clean this. Get dirty. Ready?
It's already unlocked.
No one. There we go. Leak got in. Clean that with the soap, you think?
I don't know.
That leak, hopefully the filter will get it. Alright. it works. What's that on? Fahrenheit or Celsius? Oh, yeah. It's at 97, which I turned down to just in summer. During the cold again, so I guess I'll turn it up. Alright, so that's it. So it works. Let's see how long it lasts. How much was it? 20 bucks or something? So 20 bucks would save your $300 to $500 inflatable jacuzzi. Alright, there we go. We haven't been in a while, it's been leaking. I've been meant to put the part on it, so I was happy. And I forced this one away, so I'm going to put a new top on. Alright, so check back. More updates. I'll take this first thing off the plate too. Alright, thanks for watching. As always, I'm RJ. See you today, each and every day. Please like, subscribe, and the help certain times. We took it back apart to show you guys anything about the look. No leak. So there we go. Fixed. Put it back together and magic.